Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have Insta360 X. So this video is very important for you. In this video, I am providing you one of the best video capturing setting related on Insta360 X. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start as a demonstration. So guys, let's start. This is my Insta360. Here the battery, the mic, you can put it here, C-type charging port and charge this device. Is here the turning on. If you click here once, so your Insta360 is on. This is very slow compared to the GoPro. If you have GoPro Hero 11, we just focus today which setting is the best to capturing the video frame and all. So here, if you click here, so here some of the important options are coming here. Look at this here, the 360 and single lens, two lanes available here. So we can see today just only video related information. So active HDR or like a video. So inside the video, first of all, we can conclude as a 360 and video. So inside the video, if you click here and here, some of the setting related informations are available here. Resolution, if you record as a 360 frame, so you can prefer always resolution is a 5.7K, frame rate is a 30. If you go with like a 4K, because of nowadays everyone are watching just only 4K, no one are watching 5K, is a 4K and 30 frames second is one of the best setting to capturing the picture or capturing the video using Insta360. If you active this one, you just simply press here in this button here and your recording is a start. Turn on the angle also here during the recording. That one is the advantage of this device. So you can change as a lens, front end and back end lens, and then accordingly record. If you want stop, you just simply press here and the recording is a stop. So this is one of the best setting to record as Insta360. We can click here again and here the single lens. If you click the single lens here and then go with again video, so inside the single lens here video, and then again we can click here. So look at this here, default FOV, select here 16.9. this radio resolution is perfectly the same resolution is also available here in GoPro 11. So this features already available in GoPro Hero 11, but still you can prefer as a 4K and 30 frame per second, you can go with this. Otherwise here action mode related information is also available here. You can go with action mode. Inside the action mode, I can prefer as a linear angle, no distraction. That's it. And after that you can very easily click here and start the recording. The recording is a start here. During the recording, you are not able to change the lens because of this is a single lens. Again you click here, stop the recording. So those are two lenses are available here, single and 360. Inside the single lens here, if you click here in the me mode features, look at this here, me mode features, everything is going on is a different target like this. Here I am sitting on chair and me mode camera is active here. So if you record this frame using your selfie stick or tripod, so this feature is very important as a me mode point of view. Inside the me mode here, some of the resolution is available. Just only one resolution is this, like a 1080 pixel and 916 and linear plus. You can change which range you want decide, but I just go with linear, no distraction, and again go back here. Next one, loop recording, we can decide here which resolution, which frame rate you want, use it. So here 4K is one of the best recording resolution is 4K, and here action mode you can decide here. Always I prefer myself as a linear, otherwise you can change accordingly your point of view. And here some of the time duration is available, like a 5 minute, 20 minute duration. You can decide after 3 minutes or after 5 minutes or after 1 minute the video is automatically stop. I go with as a 10 minute. And here again ratio related informations are available here. If you create videos simultaneously YouTube, Instagram and Facebook and other social media, this setting is perfect for the recording the picture. We can go back here. That's it. Those are three options available on single lens. Now we can see one more 360 mode. So now active HDR, Here in active HDR, which setting is important, we can see one by one. Here 5.7K one option you have, but frame rate is available, so you can go with as a 5.7 to 25 frame rate per second, or 24 is the best, which option you like accordingly, and then simply record this video or record this frame, and now recording is start. As well as you can use as a 2 lenses at a time and record continuously. Stop here, it's easy. Again go back here, and here so time lapse options are available. If you click here time lapse option, inside the time lapse is one of the best resolution you can go with as a 8K, because of this device. Compared to this device, time lapse is outstanding results you are receiving if you are using time lapse. And always decide the interval here, 10 second, 30 second or 60 seconds. So I choose as a 60-second interval. Resolution is 2 types of available, but I go with 8K plus frame rate is a 30 frame rate. 3 frame rates is available, but 8K with 30 is the best combination. Go back here. Next one is a time shift. If you click here in the time shift, so time shifts related resolution is 1 only, 5.7K, and frame rate is available 3. So I go with 5.7K, 30 frame rate per second. It's easy. If you start the recording, so now is no option to switch as a lens, just only one options are available here. Change here. And now here bullet time, if you click here in the bullet time, so look at this here, just only one lens. This one is a 360 recording is going on here. If I click here, so resolution is a 4K, 3K2, and frame rate, focus on the frame rate here, 120 frame rate if you go with 4K, and 180 frame rate if you go with 3K, but we can go as a 4K, and frame rate is by default. Some of the other features also available, but we can focus only in video setting. In this video, upcoming videos, I will provide you which setting is the best for the capturing the pictures, as well as I will show you the comparison of GoPro Hero 11 as well as Insta360. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.